Hi children, good morning. Last week we completed Unit 2, that means FA2 exams. Now we are going to start FA3 syllabus. What is for FA3 syllabus? Unit 5. In the Unit 5 first lesson it is at the vegetable shop. I already taught this lesson children. So I would like to recall this lesson once again. All of you open your English textbook page number 177. Summary. What is the name of the lesson? At the vegetable shop. See, the lesson is about a boy whose name is Ramu. He went to vegetable shop to buy vegetables. This is the conversation between Ramu and the different vegetables. He came to know the importance of vegetables and he used to take jute bag along with him to reduce the plastic usage. And that is the given in this lesson. See children now. What is the name of the lesson? At the vegetable shop. In this lesson, one day Ramu's mother sent him to buy vegetables as his aunt's family is coming. In this lesson, the name of the boy is Ramu. He went to vegetable shop. His mother sent him to buy vegetables to a shop. Actually, he went along with his mother to buy vegetables every day. But on that day, he went alone to buy vegetables as his aunt's family is coming. Why he went alone on that day? Because his aunt's family is visiting their family. Ramu went to the vegetable shop and told the vendor that he wanted to buy more vegetables. So vendor asked him, why did you come alone? And vendor means shopkeeper. What is the meaning of vendor? Vendor means shopkeeper. The shopkeeper asked him, why did he come alone? He said his aunt's family is came to his home, so he came alone. He said to the shopkeeper to buy more vegetable on that day. The vendor replied him to pick the vegetables he wanted to buy. So the vendor means shopkeeper replied. Replied means answered him. To pick up means to select. To select what kind of vegetables he wanted to buy. Then Ramu looked at the vegetables and listened to their words. So what did Ramu do? Ramu looked at the vegetables. Then the vegetables are opened their mouth. They used to speak with Ramu and they are telling about the importance of their own. Now first Ramu went near carrot. Carrot asked him to buy it as it is good for eyes. You know children, carrot which is in orange color. It is rich in carotene and vitamin A. If we eat daily a carrot, it is very good for our eyes. So that's why the carrot told him to buy it because it is good for eyes. Next, he moved to spinach. What is spinach? Do you know children? Spinach, it is a leafy vegetable. It is a leafy vegetable. That leafy vegetable told him that it has iron content and it will make him strong and healthy. If we eat leafy vegetables every day, they are rich in iron content. Iron content which gives our body blood, which makes our body strong and healthy. If you are suffering from anemia means lack of blood, deficiency of blood, it will be reduced by eating spinach. The doctor, suppose if you are suffering from anemia, doctor advised you to eat more leafy vegetables and spinach also, especially spinach. And next he moved to brinjal. The next vegetable is brinjal. You know children, brinjal, it looks very beautiful. If you look at the brinjal only, you wanted to eat. See how this brinjal is telling. Brinjal told him to buy it as it is the queen of vegetable because it has a crown, green color crown on its head. It is looking like a queen of vegetable. Not only that brinjal is very tasty to eat. We can make curries, soup and different kinds of items with brinjal. That's why brinjal is treated as queen of vegetable, and this brinjal is if we eat brinjal, it decreases our stress. So you should habituate to eat brinjal. Potato asked him to buy it as it has fiber. Then next Ramu moved to potatoes. Potatoes asked him to buy it as it has fiber. Children, I think you like potatoes very much because potatoes, Lays, chips, these are made of potatoes only. And your mother also often prepared potato because potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. It has fiber, potassium and vitamins which keep him strong. If we eat potato, they give us fiber and potassium and different kinds of vitamins which make us strong. Next, he moved to pumpkin. You know pumpkin, children? How is this pumpkin? This pumpkin looking round in shape, and most of the Indian families, they hang pumpkin in front of their house, because some people they have some superstitions. If they hang pumpkin in front of their home, nothing should happen to them. So pumpkin asked, so he moved to pumpkin. So this pumpkin asked him to buy, as it is sweet and makes him think. So if we eat pumpkin every day, it will develop our remembrance. That means it develops our memory power. And what is the taste of pumpkin? It is sweet. We can make with pumpkin halwa, and next chips we can make, and different kinds of curry, soup also we can prepare with pumpkin. Next, he moved to curry leaves. Ramu moved to curry leaves. You know curry leaves, children, which gives good smell to us. If we look at them, as we see curry leaves, they give good smell to us. Curry leaves asked him to buy them as they give aroma. What is the meaning of aroma, children? Good flavor. What is the meaning of aroma? Good flavor. If we add curry leaves, while your mother prepare curry, before starting to prepare, she pour curry leaves in the dish. Why? They add flavor to the dish and are good for eyes and hair. These curry leaves, if we eat curry leaves, they are very good for our eyes, develop our eyesight. But Ramu had only 80 rupees. While he was looking at all the vegetables, Ramu wanted to buy more vegetables. But he had only 80 rupees. He wanted to buy a pumpkin. So he moved to pumpkin. Then he saw a purse among the pumpkin. While he was looking at the pumpkin, he saw a purse there. He brought it to the notice of the vendor, and the vendor felt very happy to get his purse back that contained ATM card and money. When he looked at the pumpkins, he saw a purse, and he showed the purse to the vendor and asked him whose purse it is. What was there in the purse, you know, children? There was a ATM card and a lot of money also. See how good boy this Ramu is. Ramu is an honest boy. He did not take the purse. He showed that purse to the vendor and asked whose purse it is. The shopkeeper was very happy because that was his purse. He looked at the purse and said thank you to Ramu. And he told Ramu to take whatever he wanted to buy, and he didn't need to pay any money that day, because the shopkeeper was impressed by Ramu's honest, and he wanted to give vegetables, how many he wanted to buy without taking money. Freely he wanted to give. It was a reward for his honesty. But Ramu did not take. Ramu thanked him and asked him to give half a kilogram. But Ramu took only half kilogram of vegetables only. Ramu took half kilogram of vegetables only. He kept the vegetables in the jute bag and went home. And he has another good habit. While going out, he carried the jute bag along with him. But while after completing the vegetables taking, the shopkeeper asked him whether he gives plastic bag. But Ramu rejected to take plastic bag because he has the awareness of if we use plastic, it is very bad to the environment. It injured the environment. So he kept all the vegetables in the jute bag and went home. See children, so what is this lesson? The lesson is at the vegetable shop. Ramu went to the vegetable shop to buy vegetables. See here some other glossary given. Busy, having a lot to do. Busy means having a lot to do. Send, to make someone to go. Vendor, vendor means seller. Vendor means seller. Shopkeeper, alone, without any other people, lonely. Pick means choose or select. Ra means not cooked. Okay children, so once after you read this summary once again. Okay children, thank you.